Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking Essentials. Confirm whether your tablet runs Android or iPad OS, and note the OS version so you pick a compatible live wallpaper format. Once done, make sure you have about 200 MB free and a stable Wi-Fi connection for any downloads. Now enable necessary permissions, wallpapers, storage, or live photo access, because without them the app can't save or apply animations. After that, open your chosen wallpaper app or photos to begin selecting the live. You'll install a reputable live wallpaper app or pick a live photo or animated GIF from your gallery. Choose apps with recent updates to avoid compatibility issues. Once the asset is selected, configure animation speed, loop behavior, and battery optimization so the effect doesn't drain power. Many apps offer low power modes. Make sure to crop and set the focal point for how the wallpaper appears on home and lock screens. Finally, preview in both portrait and landscape to confirm proper alignment. You'll apply the live wallpaper and watch the active preview. Choose home, lock, or both. After applying, test interactions like touch or tilt gestures and cycle the screen off and on to check persistence. If the animation is choppy, make sure battery saver is off and reduce animation quality in app settings. If it won't apply, clear the app cache, force stop and reopen the app, or regrant wallpaper and storage permissions. That single troubleshooting step fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.